Today I'm on Wintersfield, situated in the heart of Taunton, showcasing this 3-bedroom end of terrace home. Now this property benefits from a newly fitted kitchen and is offered with no onward chain. So without further ado, ladies and gentlemen, welcome home.
Turn down the lights, let the city rest. Her body's in the night, her head against my chest. The color in her eyes, the softness of her skin. No words need be spoke, and that's what drew me in. Follow me down the empty road where that is dimly lit.
If you're interested in arranging a viewing on this lovely property, or indeed a valuation on your own home, then please do get in touch.